Okay, so for the next example, we have a population of a colony of mosquitoes that's also obeying the law of uninhibited growth. And again, that just means that we're going to be looking at a formula like this. Okay. It says if there are 1,000 mosquitoes originally and there are 1,800 mosquitoes after 1 day, what's the size of a colony after 3 days? Okay. So what we need to do first is find what these constants are. And then after we find that, then we plug in for t. In a way, this is going to be similar to like linear functions, just in the sense that, you know, if we have 2 data points, we can recover the function. As for linear functions, we could find the slope and then determine the equation of the line, and then use that line to find the answer to our problem. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to find these 2 constants first. Okay? And we can do that because we are given 2 data points. It says originally there are 1,000 mosquitoes, so that tells us right away that A0 is 1,000. And after 1 day, that corresponds to t equal 1. So there are going to be 1,800 will be the amount when t equals 1. So this is 1,000 times e to the k times 1. Okay, and then that tells us that, in fact, we can divide both sides by 1,000, and we get 1.8 is equal to e to the k, and that tells us that k, taking the log of both sides, k is going to be the natural log of 1.8. Okay, so then the rest is easy. We just plug it. We want to find what is it after 3 days. Well, it'll be at 1,000 times e to the log of 1.8 times 3. Okay, and then this turns out to be, I believe, 5832. Okay. How long will it take until there are 10,000 mosquitoes? Well, in this case, we're going to solve for, this is our amount, A of t, and then t is, we're asked to find what t is. Okay. So to do that, we will set 10,000 equals 1,000 times e raised to the k, which we now know is the log of 1.8 times t. All right, and again, we know this because we basically have found it up here that a of t is 1,000 e to the natural log of 1.8 times t. Okay, now we divide by 1,000. And we get 10 on the left-hand side equals e to the natural log of 1.8 times t. And we can take the natural log of both sides, or we can just say the natural log of 10. The ln and the e will cancel out, and this is we can see that this is going to be we have the log of 1.8 times t. And so divide both sides by log of 1.8. Okay, and we get that t is going to be the log of 10 divided by the log of 1.8, okay, which is approximately 3.917 days. Okay, we'll stop there for now.